In this tutorial, I will show how to use CaptureTableHTML WinTask function in order to capture all the data which are displayed in a table on a web page. So let's do it on a small example. I click recording mode. I will load the URL in Internet Explorer for this sample. The URL is this one. I want to capture this table, those dates, those texts. So I invoke the capture wizard. I click spy to spy the table. Click next. The table is referred with this number as it can change from one day to another. I click Change Proposed Content to take a text from the table which won't change every day. I take the year, so it will work for 2014 year. And we'll see later how to make this year variable so it can work for any year. So I select the year, I copy it, and I paste it in Change Proposed Content. I paste. I click to validate to be sure that this content is valid for referring the table. It's OK. I click Next. Here I can select the column that I want. Let's take only the column 2. I can store those captured data either directly in Excel or in an array. I'd select an array for now. That's done, so I click Paste into the script. And I can close the browser and stop recording mode. I will close the browser manually. So here are the lines generated. So CaptureTableHTML syntax is generated for you. I prefer to use an array which is meaningful, so I change to data $. And all the capture data has been stored in first element in data $0, second element in data $1, and so on. And so I can use those extracted data for writing in a field, for writing into another application. So let's check. I click play. Let's call it CaptureTableHTML. The site is open. The capture is done. It shows the first element, so morning news, the second, afternoon news, etc. Now, if I want to change this 2014 to the current year, I will duplicate the line in order to really see how it is done. So I comment this line. So I will use the WinTask function called year $, which returns on 4 digits the current year. I need to concatenate the first part of a string, so table content equal single quote. So I add a double quote to say that's the first string. I concatenate, so that's the plus operator, with the year $, function. Then I concatenate again with the end of the string, so again a double quote. Of course, I take out this. So that's the syntax. First part of a string between 2 double quotes, plus year $, plus last part of a string. Let's check. Morning news, afternoon news. And if next year it's here 2015, the script will still work. That's the end of this tutorial.